Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I have a few errands to run today, so I figured I would do a sort of chatty get ready with me type video. Yeah, I hobbled my ass up to my filming room, which yeah, I'll talk about that I guess in this video. Because I think you guys can tell the last few videos I posted on the brush series was downstairs, and that's because my ass could barely walk up the stairs to record in here. I've just been having some, I don't know, I don't want to feel like this whole video is going to be like me complaining, but it probably is. So if you don't like complaining videos, then y'all might not have watched the rest of this. I don't know. I've just not been feeling too great. I've had issues with my knee lately, and yeah, getting old sucks. Like, don't do it. Don't get old if you can help it. Just go ahead and chat with you guys. Maybe hopefully find something positive to chat about as I put in my makeup on. So my hair is completely dry, but it looks crusty and crunchy and small. So I will go ahead and fix that at the end of the video. So, you know, if I look crazy, don't mind that. And also, I'm growing out my hair, I've decided. So we'll see how that goes because it's already looking bushy. I already look homeless. Products that I use, I will link in the description box below. And yeah, let's get started on this mug. Lately, I have been putting a little bit of Prime Time Bare Minerals Foundation Primer. This is more silicone based. It looks, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've been putting that on my areas down here. I had a really horrible breakout. That's probably another reason why I just feel like I haven't been motivated to record, because my skin has just been, she's been a bitch. She's been on another level. But I honestly can say that this was because of this medication for my pain, and it broke me the fuck out and made my knee feel a little better, but not the rest of me. Putting that on just to help sort of with some of this coloration. I had a lot of texture too. Texture's going away now, but that just helped to smooth the area out. I'm going to be using the Maybelline's 24-Hour Stay, one of my favorite foundations. And I've been using these brushes, which these brushes are amazing. I will link the video for the brushes when I talk about these in my, it was like a gift haul. I'll link that up there if you guys want to watch that. And I also will link these brushes down in the description box below from Amazon. These brushes are hella amazing. They just work so well. Like you can see, they instantly help cover up all of that foolishness. I've been having issues with my health. I haven't been feeling the best. When your knees are aching and hurting so bad, it literally like takes over your entire life. Like that's all you think about. It hurts to move. It hurts to walk. It's just not been a very fun time for me. And I still don't know what's wrong. I did have issues. I did have issues with my other knee like the year before last into the beginning of last year. And I know exactly what I did with that. So for my, my God, this is so funny. Every time I tell somebody about what happened, got married on the beach in Galveston. And for my bachelorette party, of course, you know, people were intoxicated, including myself. And we were walking back along the beach to the condos, and there's like these big rock formations that go out to the water. So you basically have to walk over them and down, you know, to get back to the beach, over and down to get back to the beach. Because they go, those rock formations go way out into the water. We were doing that. We were way far away from the condo, and we walked, I don't even know how long on the beach. And the next morning for my wedding, I woke up and my knee was hurting so fucking bad. So of course I'm asking if anybody saw me fall, like, you know, what happened, and nobody saw me fall or anything crazy like that. So I just figured, you know, I strained it or something, jumping down and crawling up these rock formations, you know, being intoxicated. So it hurt pretty good for a couple weeks. And, you know, then it went away. It wasn't really bothering me too much. It would flare up every now and then and hurt. It went on and off for a couple years until like the end of last year where, well, not the end of last year, the year before last. It was just hurting so bad I couldn't fucking take it anymore. So I ended up going to the doctor and going and getting a scan, and basically I had torn the cartilage in my knee. I got several injections in my knee, which I'm gonna tell you, that shit is not fun to begin with right there, those injections. But it really, really helped. And although it makes funky noises and stuff like that, it's, you know, relatively not very painful. I am a person, I think, with a high pain tolerance. I've always prided myself in not being a complainer in regards to pain and being able to put up with a lot of pain. But knee pain has been, has turned me into a crying, whining little complainer, I feel. But I don't know, I just don't understand how your little knees can cause so much pain and destruction in your life. You know, I had a hysterectomy in June, and that was pretty painful, but the pain went away. This knee pain, though, God, I can't. Yeah, so it's been very, very difficult to deal with, but I don't know what's wrong with this other knee. Now, my other knee was acting out. It's been about, I don't know, like a month now since that one started acting up, and I didn't do anything to it that would have caused, like, you know, any injury that I can think of. So I have not really been motivated to do much of anything besides just try to, you know, make it through the day at work, propped up and not moving as much as possible, which is hard because I work in a medical clinic and I am constantly up and down all day with patients and helping them with rehab and, you know, just all that kind of stuff. So it's been difficult. Finally went to the doctor. Like I said, they gave me some medications that helped a lot, but still, I'm still in a lot of pain. So I have been taking CBD oil. So I know that's like a big controversy. A lot of people are like, you know, it's just like weed or this or that. This oil that I have doesn't have THC in it, so it doesn't make you high. Honestly, have been taking it now for almost a week, and I didn't notice any change, of course, the first day or two. But I literally have been able to, sorry, I can't talk and do my eyebrows at the same time. Maybe I should finish my eyebrows and then go ahead and talk to y'all. Otherwise, this is gonna take forever. So I will do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry, I didn't want that to turn into a flipping full out brow tutorial. It usually doesn't take me very long to do my brows, especially when I'm using the Anastasia brow pencil. But yeah, me talking and trying to do that at the same time, not gonna work. But anyway, so talking about, oh, CBD oil. If you guys have used like CBD oil for pain or chronic pain, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I'm in Texas and people act so, I don't know, like, ew, CBD oil, a different situation. But like I said, it's been helping some. So hopefully it will continue to help because I cannot live my life like this. Like, I cannot live my life in pain like this. It sucks. Enough about that. You know, this whole video isn't going to be about me complaining. I will try not to complain the whole video. About my birthday, we had a good time. We went to a party. It was really, really fun. I had not had like a huge party or went out like that in a long time. You know, I'm getting older and it's just not worth the recovery time, to be honest, to be out like that. But we were literally out until like 4 o'clock in the morning on New Year's. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. But of course, that next day, you know, I felt like death. Husband took me shopping for makeup the next day. My birthday is the 1st. It's literally just a few days after Christmas. So if you guys want to see like what I got for my birthday and Christmas type video, then make sure to comment below and I'll be more than happy to record that for you guys. And is very accommodating in helping to support my habit of choice, which is makeup. I record on my phone and literally dropped my phone outside yesterday at work, cracked the screen. So as I'm sitting here right now recording this, my screen is cracked. And to make things worse, I was looking on my Facebook. You know, Facebook has those memories that pop up, you know, this time last year, blah, blah, blah. Well, literally this time last year is when I dropped my other phone in the toilet. So yeah, I definitely have started some kind of let's wreck your phone tradition. So next year around this time, I'm gonna have to leave my phone somewhere safe and not use it for a good week because I am liable to, you know, break it some way. But I'm sorry, I keep looking over to the side. My makeup bag's over there. I got all my stuff that I need to put on my face. comment below like what you guys did for New Year's, if you guys did something new, if you traveled anywhere. I always love listening to people's like stories about their holiday, like especially if they traveled somewhere. Since I'm not able to travel too much right now, I live through people, you know, sharing their travel like on Instagram or just telling me. I love it. I love listening to it. So if you guys went anywhere or did anything fun this year for New Year's or for the holidays, something that you hadn't done before, make sure to comment below. Yeah, so I can live my life through you guys. Like Christmas Day, it was just my husband and I, the cats, of course. And I was talking to him about like, we need to get used to this because our kids are grown. Like this is gonna be, you know, until they start having kids and, you know, we have grandkids and stuff, it's gonna be like this a lot, you know, just my husband and I. So I was like, we need to figure it out. Like we need to start planning trips to travel somewhere. Now I see why people take cruises and stuff like for Christmas, because what else is there to do when you have, you know, grown kids? So definitely a weird Christmas this year. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these little lashes on. These are the brand from the from Walmart that I love. You guys have any New Year's resolutions or anything that you guys want to work on to better yourself this year? As far as like, I don't know, like personal stuff, I just want to try to continue to knock out some debt that I have. I have, you know, some huge student loans that I'm going to be paying back here shortly. That's going to just completely ruin my life. I already know. And I need to get some of this other stuff under control in regards to finances. So I guess that would probably just be my, my resolution, I guess, for this year, is to start saving more money and trying to get things paid off. It used to be, you know, like me losing weight or this or that, but you know, at this age, I don't want to be, you know, skinny. I'm never going to be skinny, let's be honest. Those days are gone and over. And I don't know if I'd want to be as thin as I used to be. I got really, really thin when I got divorced. And looking back at those pictures, I know the havoc that I was living when I was looking like that. I was depressed. I was struggling to pay bills, struggling to take care of my children. That weight loss and me looking like thin was a direct result of that. Anyway, now I'm just gonna fix my hair because she's crunchy. Like you can see how crunchy she is, because this is what it looks like when it's dried after I wash it. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Ion Silk Drops. I love this stuff. I just used the tiniest bit there that you can see. Sorry, that blue on my hand is from me washing my hair with blue shampoo. I'm telling you, that shampoo is no joke. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that in my hands and rub it through. And then I'm just gonna start sort of softening up these crunchy ass curls, because nobody likes crunchy curls. But definitely the first day I wash my hair is not the happiest of times for us. It just looks flat and it looks like I have a juicy Jerry curl. Go ahead and put a little something on my lips because I look pasty and dead. Look dried out. Going with the Sephora, let me see, it's like a liquid lip in the color 40, I believe. I like this because it's really close to my lip color and it dries matte. So that is about it. This is the look that I do on a regular basis. It takes literally, if I'm not yapping, it takes like 10 minutes. But you know, when I'm yapping, it turns into something else. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video wasn't like me complaining too much, but whatever. I warned y'all before that it was gonna be a little bit of me complaining. So anyway, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to hit the notification bell. Let me tell you real quick before I log off on this video. The way you guys can show you appreciate us YouTubers is by first liking the video and also commenting below. That really, really helps. Well, of course, watching too are the ways that you guys can show that you guys appreciate us. It helps small channels like mine grow and continue. So the dream of for my channel is, so it will continue to grow to where I can rescue cats. Like, I absolutely adore cats. I hope you guys already know. Like, my cats get on my damn nerves, but I love them. But that's my dream, is to be able to do neonatal kitten rescues. There are so many kittens that are put to sleep every year because there's nobody there to take care of them. And it really just is heartbreaking when you think about how many hundreds and thousands of kittens, baby kittens, I'm talking just a few days old, are put to sleep because there's nobody there to take them home and care for them. So that's what I want to do. And my daughter as well, she's a huge animal lover. She's always loved animals. She's actually in the vet tech program. She's going to be, you know, a certified vet tech when she graduates high school. But that's her and mine's dream, is to be able to rescue kittens. And that requires you to be able to be home. You can't take kittens with you to work. But yeah, so that is my dream for my channel to grow big enough to where I'm able to do that. So if you guys want to help out cat lady, then make sure to do the things that I said. Like, share, subscribe, like the videos. Make sure to comment below. That also helps. Not only that, but I love chatting with you guys. And yeah, let me get off of here. I've been rambling for too long. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.